Welcome to 2618 Fort Farnsworth Drive, Unit 3B, otherwise known as Unit 233. The apartment is available for rent, and it's just recently been painted and carpeted, brand new carpeting and new window shades. And the ceiling and walls were all painted, and the HVAC system just serviced. And you can see there's this really nice mid-century modern spindle detail. Here's this big mirror that we have, and let's take a look in the kitchen. Turn on the lights. And the kitchen was recently remodeled about 2 years ago. New countertops and new cabinets. And the stove, refrigerator, microwave, I think are about 7 years old. And this has all just been cleaned up, and we've painted it. 2 coats of paint, 2 coats of primer. Here you can see the view out through the patio. It's actually rather pleasant, and they've just gotten done mulching and mowing the lawn. And if you leave the blinds at a certain angle, people can't see in, but you can see out, which is nice. Let's take a look in the bathroom. We took down all these doors and restained them and polished them. They're a little old and worn, but they're serviceable. You can see we put a framer on the mirror here, and there's a medicine cabinet and new hardware for the vanity that matches the kitchen, and the toilet seat is brand new, one of those slow close models. And you can see there's a new shower curtain, and here's the shower with a brand new shower wand. And moving on to the bedroom, you see it's light and airy. There's a new vertical blind there. You see there's a nice view of a green sward there. Makes for very pleasant afternoons. And again, 2 coats of paint, 2 coats of primer. Ceiling has been double primered. And there's a huge closet in here with 4 bifold doors, as well as a linen closet. Anyway, that's the condominium after being reworked. CO detector and smoke detector and another smoke detector, and I guess that's about it. It's a nice little place. We've been staying here for a week, doing work on it and getting the carpet put in, and it's a pleasant place to live, and we have very nice neighbors too.